Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute sun. Let's start drawing. Let's learn together how to draw the sun. To start, I draw a circle. Now let's draw a cute face for our sun. I draw two cute eyes. Eyelashes. I draw a closed eye here because it's going to be winking. And a smiling mouth with the tongue out. Then I continue with small triangles around this circle. Ta-da! What a nice sun! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I use the colors of the rainbow. I use light red for his mouth. I colored the circular face with yellow. Then orange. I like this! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.